Carving pumpkins for Halloween is a beloved tradition, and using the right tools can elevate your jack-o'-lanterns from simple to spectacular. Our Carbide tools, specifically heavy-duty coarse Carbide burrs, are the perfect choice for shaping large openings in Halloween pumpkins, such as wide mouths, abstract shapes, or intricate designs that make your creations stand out. Below, I'll explain in detail why these tools are ideal, how to use them effectively, and why they're a game-changer for bold, dramatic jack-o'-lantern designs. Plus, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below to share your carving tips and designs. Why Carbide tools are perfect for pumpkin carving. Carbide burrs are rotary cutting tools made from tungsten carbide, a material known for its exceptional hardness and durability. These qualities make them ideal for tackling the thick, fibrous flesh of pumpkins, especially when creating large openings or complex shapes. Here's why our heavy-duty coarse Carbide burrs are the go-to choice for bold jack-o'-lantern designs. Superior cutting efficiency. Coarse Carbide burrs are designed with aggressive cutting flutes that remove material quickly and efficiently. This is perfect for pumpkins, which have a tough outer rind and dense inner flesh. Unlike traditional carving knives or saws, which can require significant effort and time, Carbide burrs make quick work of large openings, saving you time and energy. The coarse texture of the burrs ensures rapid material removal, allowing you to carve wide mouths, gaping eyes, or abstract patterns in minutes. Precision for dramatic designs. While coarse burrs excel at removing material quickly, they also offer enough control to shape precise edges for bold, dramatic designs. Whether you're crafting a menacing jack-o'-lantern grin or an abstract geometric pattern, Carbide burrs allow you to sculpt clean, defined shapes that enhance the overall impact of your pumpkin. The rotary action of the burr ensures smooth cuts, reducing jagged edges that are common with manual tools, giving your designs a polished, professional look. Durability for multiple projects. Pumpkins can be tough on tools due to their fibrous texture and moisture content, which can dull blades quickly. Our Carbide burrs are built to last, maintaining their sharpness through multiple carving sessions. This durability makes them a cost-effective choice for avid carvers who plan to create several jack-o'-lanterns or experiment with complex designs. Versatility for creative freedom. Coarse Carbide burrs come in various shapes, such as cylindrical, ball, or flame tips, allowing you to adapt your tool to the specific design you're creating. For example, cylindrical burrs are great for straight-edged cuts, perfect for wide, rectangular mouths or geometric shapes. Ball burrs excel at scooping out rounded openings or creating textured surfaces for abstract designs. Flame burrs are ideal for intricate curves or flowing patterns, adding flair to your jack-o'-lanterns. This versatility lets you push the boundaries of traditional pumpkin carving, enabling bold and unique designs that stand out on Halloween night. Ease of use with power tools. Carbide burrs are typically used with rotary tools like Dremels or high-speed drills, which provide consistent power and control. This setup is far more efficient than manual carving, especially for large pumpkins or thick-walled varieties. The power tool handles the hard work, allowing you to focus on creativity and precision. How to use Carbide burrs for shaping large openings. To achieve stunning jack-o'-lantern designs with our Carbide tools, follow these steps for safe and effective carving. Prepare your pumpkin. Choose a large, firm pumpkin with a smooth, even surface for easier carving. Wash the exterior to remove dirt and dry it thoroughly. Cut a lid from the top or bottom for easier access, using a traditional carving knife or saw. Scoop out the seeds and stringy pulp with a spoon or scraper. For larger pumpkins, thin the inner walls slightly to make carving easier. Plan your design. Sketch your design directly onto the pumpkin surface with a washable marker. For bold, dramatic designs, consider wide, exaggerated features like a gaping mouth, oversized eyes, or abstract shapes like swirls or jagged patterns. If you're using a stencil, secure it to the pumpkin and trace the pattern carefully. Select the right Carbide burr. For large openings, choose a coarse, heavy-duty Carbide burr with a shape that suits your design. A cylindrical or ball-shaped burr is ideal for most large cuts. Ensure the burr is securely attached to your rotary tool and check that the tool is set to a moderate speed, around 10,000–15,000 RPM, to balance cutting efficiency and control. Carve the large openings. Start by outlining the edges of your design with the Carbide burr, applying gentle, steady pressure. Let the tool do the work. Avoid forcing it, as this can lead to uneven cuts or tool damage. Work in small, controlled motions, gradually removing material to shape the opening. For wide mouths or abstract shapes, carve in layers, removing thin sections of pumpkin flesh at a time to maintain control. Periodically clean the burr by running it against a piece of scrap wood or using a wire brush to remove pumpkin residue, which can clog the flutes. Refine and detail. Once the large openings are carved, switch to a finer carbide burr or adjust your technique for smoother edges or textured effects. For example, use a ball burr to add depth to a mouth or create a stippled texture for an eerie effect. If your design includes smaller details, consider using a finer burr or switching to a different tool for precision work. Safety tips. Always wear safety goggles to protect your eyes from pumpkin debris and dust. A dust mask is also recommended, as pumpkin particles can be irritating when inhaled. Work in a well-ventilated area, and keep your hands steady to avoid slips. Secure the pumpkin firmly, using a non-slip mat or clamps if needed. Unplug your rotary tool when changing burrs or cleaning to prevent accidents. Finish your jack-o'-lantern. Once your design is complete, clean the pumpkin surface to remove marker lines or debris. Place a candle, LED light, or glow stick inside to illuminate your creation and bring your bold design to life. For extra durability, apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly to cut edges to slow down rot and keep your jack-o'-lantern fresh longer. Tips for bold, dramatic designs. Exaggerate features. Large openings like wide, toothy grins or oversized hollow eyes create a striking effect, especially when lit from within. Use the carbide burr to carve deep, clean lines that emphasize contrast between light and shadow. Experiment with abstract shapes. Move beyond traditional faces by carving swirling patterns, jagged lightning bolts, or geometric cutouts. Coarse carbide burrs make it easy to create smooth, flowing shapes or sharp, angular designs. Layer your carving. For a 3D effect, carve varying depths within the same opening. For example, thin out certain areas of a wide mouth to let more light shine through, creating a glowing gradient. Combine tools. Pair your carbide burr with other carving tools, like knives or loop tools, for a mix of bold openings and fine details. This combination allows for maximum creativity. Why choose our carbide tools? Our heavy-duty, coarse carbide burrs are specifically designed for tough materials like pumpkin rinds, offering unmatched speed, precision, and durability. Whether you're a seasoned carver or a Halloween enthusiast looking to level up your game, these tools make it easy to create jaw-dropping jack-o'-lanterns that steal the show. Plus, their versatility means you can use them for other crafting projects year-round, from woodworking to metal engraving. Subscribe and share your creations. We hope this guide inspires you to create bold, dramatic jack-o'-lanterns with our carbide tools. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more carving tips, tool tutorials, and Halloween inspiration. Drop a comment below to share your favorite pumpkin designs, ask questions, or let us know how our carbide burrs worked for you. We love seeing your creations, so tag us with your spooky masterpieces. Happy carving, and have a hauntingly good Halloween.